Did you know that hospital sinks and drains are hotspots for contamination? At a hospital in Tokyo, 9 CPE contaminated sinks led to an outbreak causing 19 patient infections. Pathogens were found to have spread from one sink to another through connected plumbing. It shows that traditional cleaning methods sometimes fall short, even after replacing contaminated sinks. That's where UniTab comes in. UniTab is more effective than bleach and can address even hidden risks. It sanitizes, deodorizes, and disinfects without harsh odors, stains, or residue. Perfect for high-risk areas. For toilets, simply drop a tablet in the bowl after usual cleaning. Let it sit for 4 minutes, and flush it for continuous, thorough disinfection. For hospital shower drains and sinks, make a solution with UniTab and tap water as per dilution instructions. Then pour it down the drain to ensure powerful disinfection deep within the plumbing. Switch to UniTab today for superior disinfection and protect your patients and staff with the best in cleaning technology. Dustbane since 1908,